Good morning, my name is Jose Manuel Fernandez, and today I'm going to talk about the stock market slide as COVID-19 cases rise again. The US markets suffered their sharpest drop in weeks as concerns about the economic impact of surging COVID-19 cases sent shares down, destabilizing the world economy and slowing down the recovery process for many countries in economic terms. Now we're going to talk about the stock market and how it works. The stock market works in many cases by predictions. The prediction is an area of extreme importance to an entire industry. The stock price is determined by the behavior of the investor, and investors determine stock prices by using publicly available information to predict how the market will act or react. Financial news articles can thus play a large role in influencing the movement of a stock as humans react to the information. A previous research from Stanford University has suggested that there is a relationship between news articles and stock price movement, as there is some delay between when the news article is released and when the market has moved to reflect this information. Well, now we're going to talk about how big was the damage to the stock market caused by the new outbreak. In the last week, many of the main companies with blue chip stocks in Nasdaq suffered heavy losses, like the Dow Jones and the S&P 500. Also, in the United States, the cruise lines Royal Caribbean Group, Carnival, and Norwegian all dropped more than 8%, while in the UK, British Airways owner IAG closed 7.6% lower. The US President Donald Trump has vowed to avoid widespread restrictions on activity similar to the lockdown restrictions seen this spring, saying such limits are not worth the economic cost. Situation that concern the international community. If this decision would lead to a new outbreak in the US, the entire world might be affected by the consequences. Over the last week, the number of new virus cases reported daily in the US has repeatedly passed 80,000 people, sending the 7-day average to a new high of nearly 69,000 people. That's almost double of what it was in September, and the number of hospitalizations has jumped to 40% in the past month, and the death rates are still rising. Well, now I have a question for you all. Would you prefer to be again in lockdown, preserving the world health, or would you prefer to allow the economy to restore itself at the cost of many lives?